Hello and welcome guys. In this short and quick video, we will learn how to turn on scroll lock indicator in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly, you have to now click on this search icon, type settings, then left click on settings, now left click on accessibility. Here you will find some options. Just left click on keyboard, and here you will see sound indicator. Play a sound when you press caps, num or scroll lock. So you need to turn on this setting. Now try, now press scroll lock. So you will hear sound indicator like this. So hopefully guys you like this video. By the simple and easy steps we can know how to turn on scroll lock indicator in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.